Now that we have access to the dorm rooms, we'll eventually come to Minty Candy Cane's room at the end of the hallway. Going inside, we'll see Krampus with a key on his belt run into the closet and shut the door behind him. If we follow him in there, we'll see it's an empty room, but on the wall is a lock. And when we examine it, we can see it's a Schlage lock. That will become important later. The idea behind this challenge is to take the picture of this key and from that create our own key using this tool on the desk with the same bidding depth so that we can then unlock that door. So the first step in doing so is getting a nice image to work from. The best way I found to do this was to open up your DevTools, go to the Network tab, and reload. And when you do that, you should see Krampus.png come up, and we can open that in a new tab and copy it and paste it into your favorite image editor. For this, I used Inkscape. And we just paste him in, and we're going to turn him 90 degrees so that the key is horizontal. If you did the challenge for Minty Candy Cane, the Holiday Hack Trail, you would have gotten a hint to go to Deviant Ollam's GitHub page, and once you're there, he has these decoding templates, and one for Schlage, which is the one we're going to need, which just have the correct depths lined up for you for all of the bidding depths. So when we copy that image, we can throw it on top of our key. Do we resize it a bit? Oops. Gotta keep the same ratio. And we're just gonna put that right there. And the first thing we gotta do is line this up so that these black outer lines correspond with the width of the key between here and here. So we're gonna line that up. And like that. And just about there ought to do it. So now the only thing left to do is just read how many lines each one of these cuts goes down, which will correspond to the bidding depth, and that would effectively decode the key. So go ahead and put a little text box in here, and I'm going to copy it 6 times. Oops. And now just count down how many lines for each cut. So this first one is at a 1. The second one looks like a 2, as does the third. The fourth one goes down to 5. Looks like back up to 2 and a 0. Now with this code 122520, we can go back to the key cutting tool, punch in all of those values, 122 520, create the key. We'll go ahead and download that. Go into the closet and try it out. And if everything went correctly, there we go. We were able to unlock the door and gain access to the steam tunnels.